How to fix bounce emails in instantly.ai. If your emails in instantly.ai are bouncing, don't panic. This usually means your message couldn't be delivered to the recipient's inbox, and fixing it is simple. First, check if the email address you're sending to is valid. Since typos or outdated contacts are the most common cause of bounces, next, review your sending domain settings. Make sure your SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records are correctly authenticated because without proper setup, emails providers might reject your message. Also, warm up your emails account. Gradually sending too many messages at once can trigger spam filters and lead to hard bounces. Inside Instantly.ai, use the built-in bounce detection tool to identify which addresses failed and clean your list to maintain a high sender reputation. So that's it.